Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. You already know it's your girl TipTop. How y'all doing? How y'all been? Now, today we're doing something simple. It's a relatively simple set. You know, just a French with glitter flash. What's it called? Reflective gel, flash gel. Well, different brands call it different things. Anyway, so I am using these Valentino tips because these are the only C-curve tips that I have. And y'all already know I do have C-curve nail beds. So if I were to use any type of, regular tip, it's not going to fit all the way to my sidewalls. So that's why I use C-curve tips on myself. But I'm really, trying to get back into the groove of doing my own nails because for the past 2 years, I've been doing nails for 3 years. For the past 2 years, I really haven't been, doing my nails for real. So I kind of forgot how to do them. And I was just like, well, let me just try to get back into the, the swing of things, trying to do my nails and regain that muscle memory because I kid y'all not, I'm really not the best at doing my own nails anymore because I work all the time and I don't really have the time to even do my nails. And when I do, have the time, they're probably short overlays. So this set, we are going to use these Valentino tips. So I'm showing y'all like how they fit sidewall to sidewall because my nail beds are C-curve. We are going in with this Too Cute Flamingo. When I tell y'all, this is the perfect clear pink. If you're looking for a nice clear pink, this is your girl. Too Cute Cover Flamingo. Use TipTop to save some money. If you want to, you ain't got to, but I do have a coupon code with them. And I'm using my favorite NOTPOLISH brush. Y'all know I've been waiting forever to get this brush. It is a size 12, but I did crimp it myself because they come round, but I don't like mine like that. And not gonna lie, y'all, I was struggling with this application. It was kind of hot in the shop, so my acrylic was drying super fast. So, yeah, I was just like kind of thrown off guard because I'm like, wait a minute, why is this drying so fast? Girl, slow down. But, you adjust and you just keep on pushing. So yeah, this is a nice clear pink. I am using NOTPOLISH monomer. I've been using it for like a good month and a half now, and I definitely can say I love it. Love it. I'm probably gonna switch over to using this now because I was using Nail Supply Glamour, but I like NOTPOLISH ones. It's definitely a low odor. It's not as strong as others. Yeah, 10 out of 10. I am doing the pop-off method, so that's why my nail beds are shiny like that, because I will indeed be popping these off. And this is an old set, y'all. I did this set, let me see. When did I do this set? It's been a minute. It's been a hot minute since I did these. Around like July, probably like July 5th. But y'all, I really want to start vlogging like the day in my life of a nail tech. I want to start vlogging so bad, but I need to get a camera because my phone is hanging on this last leg. Like, she ain't got no storage left in her, none. And I like vlogs or just day in the life, so y'all can see like how crazy my days be or how chill they be, how many clients I have and stuff like that. So if y'all are interested in me starting vlogs, let me know in the comments. And then also, I probably will keep it on this channel. I don't really feel a need to make another channel for that, just because I probably won't do it as often as I post tutorials or just watch me work videos. But it's definitely something I've been thinking about, just because I like watching other people's, vlogs. And I want to show y'all how my life be going because, child, I be having some crazy days with some crazy clients. And I just got to tell y'all about it. I just got to tell y'all. So if you're interested in me doing vlogs, let me know. So yeah, and then a lot of times I just be wanna, cause y'all know I used to go live on YouTube on Wednesdays, or was it Thursdays? It was Thursdays, cause I called it TipTop Thursday, but I wasn't consistent enough, and in the shop that I work at, we be playing music, and I don't want to get flagged for copyright, so that's why I kind of stopped doing it. But yeah, because sometimes I just be wanting to go live and talk to y'all. Or, if I'm cleaning or organizing stuff, like today I went to work and was organizing, cleaning some stuff. I was like, I should have went live on YouTube. Just so, I just be wanting to tune y'all in to what I be doing other than just watching nail videos. Even though, they be informational and stuff, I just, want to connect with you guys a little bit more on a personal level. So yeah, I really want to get a camera though. Even though I'm pretty sure I could just record on my phone, back it up to the iCloud, delete it off my phone, and keep doing that process over and over again instead of getting a camera. But if I'm going to be doing vlogs, I want the quality to be A1. I want the quality to be bomb. So and then also I'm thinking about getting a camera just because I want my nail videos to be bomb too, because I want them to be more cinematic and just very creative, and because I really do like making content, but I want to make content that's entertaining and just nice on the eyes, easy to watch. And what I got going right now is cool or whatever, but I want something that's just more cinematic, I guess. So I'm definitely gonna look into getting a camera. I know it's probably gonna be so expensive, probably like $600, $700, because I don't know if I want to pay that though. Well, I want to pay it because I want the camera, but child, I hope they got Afterpay because I do not want to spend all that money at one time. Or I could just wait and get it for Christmas and then like do Vlogmas or something like that. I've always was into Vlogmas. I just loved watching people vlogs, and I want to do it. I just want to do it, but I don't know. But y'all, filing your own nails is so hard. Y'all see me struggling. I know a lot of times people tell me to put this acrylic jar right there and use that to kind of help me. That did help, but for the most part, I just don't like the uncomfortable feeling that I gotta get all into these. Y'all already know I got arthritis in my hands, and that was killing me. And that's another reason why I just don't like doing my nails. Ooh, but look at the shape though. Ooh, it looks so good. I love this color, y'all. Y'all gotta get this color. It's so pretty. And y'all know it'd be hard to find those perfect pink colors. This is definitely one of those colors though. Look at that shape. Okay. Okay, TipTop. Look at you. Doing what you do best. Period. So, like I said, we're going to use a flash gel for the French. Now, I didn't know whether I wanted to use this pink color or the holographic one, but, well, I guess it's more silver than holographic. But obviously, I chose the silver one, but I wanted to keep this clip in so y'all can see I was leaning towards this color as well. It still probably would have been cute, but it kind of clashed with the pink background a little too much. But y'all know, excuse how my brush look. I know it looks ghetto. I know. But y'all know how I be when polish get everywhere. But yeah, y'all know I use that 25mm brush. And this is House of Rose. Y'all know I use House of Rose top coat. But this base coat is also really good. It helps for you to draw on top of the nail smoothly without all the scratches messing you up. And this stuff is really nice. It's not thick at all. Y'all see how I just glided on? It really is kind of like, it's not runny, but it goes on like oil. I kid you not. It just goes on so nice. It's not thick at all. But yeah, I'm going to use that to help me with my French so nothing doesn't, spread around. That's my biggest pet peeve when polish. You're trying to draw and polish spreads from the spot you put it in. That is my biggest pet peeve, y'all. And mostly it happens with polishes that are very thin. That's why I hate super runny polish. Gel colors, like colors, I hate that because they start moving around too much. Like my next tutorial that I'm gonna post, you're gonna see, because I'm gonna do like some swirly lines. You're gonna see it spread, and I hate it so much. So this is the pink one. Like it was given. She was given, but I was just like, I don't know. Like it's cute. This is my thing with the flash gels. They're cute with the flash, and sometimes without the flash, they just kind of look like meh, like regular glitter polish, and not even the cute glitter polish. Y'all know it be some glitter polish that be like, this is mad cute. But for some reason, I guess with the flash gel, whatever they have to put inside of it to make it do that little reflective thing with the flash, it messes up like the glitter. Like if you notice and you looked at all flash gels, without the flash, they all kind of look murky. Like, so that's why I always use this silver one all the time, because you really can't go wrong with silver. Like it is a silver glitter. But y'all see how that pink one is pink, but it's like a dirty pink. If that makes sense. Like it would not be a pretty glitter without the flash. I'm sorry, I said what I said. Don't kill me in the comments. So this is with the flash. The pink looks so much better, but I still went with the silver because she is giving everything that needs to be gave. It's definitely looking like Rihanna, Diamonds in the Sky. So yeah, I just went ahead and did them all with silver. Now I'm just pretending like I'm doing something when really I'm not, because I forgot to press record when I was doing the fridge. I forgot to press record, so now I'm just pretending like I'm doing it. But yeah, I'm glad I went with this option because, like I said, it's giving diamonds. It's giving, I don't know, like galaxy, stars. That's exactly what it's giving. Now, I really hate sometimes when clients ask, well, I don't hate, but I be having to warn clients when they book for stuff like this that it's not going to look like this in real life. It only going to look like this with the flash. So unless you plan on putting your flashlight on it to show everybody, you're not going to get this effect with just how it looks straight out the bottle. And because I did one girl, and she was like, are you going to put the glitter stuff on there? I'm like, baby girl, it's already on there. I told you, it's only going to show up with the flash. So that's the only thing. Like, be mindful. Tell your clients, like, look, this what it is, this what it ain't. And yeah. So yeah, like I said, I'm just pretending like I'm doing something right now. I really like this color though. Like out of all of them, this one right here, hit different, hit different, hit different, or whatever SZA said. And look how pretty this base color is. This is like the prettiest clear pink ever. And y'all, I didn't see that stuff on my skin, on my ring finger on the left side. I didn't see it, because if I would have saw it, I would have wiped that too. But I promise I ain't see it. I got these little pearl hearts from Amazon per usual. I be scared to use these on clients though, because when charms like this don't come with a slight bend in them, I be scared that they're gonna rip off, get tangled all in people's hair. So I only really use stuff like this when I know my client is down for whatever, like ride or die. I could put anything on her nails. She's like, yep, I love it. But these are still cute though. I just hate how they don't lay flat on the nail at all. At all. So y'all see the difference, how the glitter looks without the flash? Like it's like meh. It's not really, too exciting. So yeah, I'm just putting these on with this bling gel. My Zule finally came in. I'm so excited because I'm never switching like bling gel glue, whatever. I'm never switching it ever again. It's just gonna be Zulay 24/7 because I can 100% count on Zulay to not let me down. She is just too strong. Like, nothing's coming off. Literally nothing. You can put the biggest charm you got and glue it down with some Zulay bling adhesive. It's not going anywhere. I kid you not. And with this bling gel, I just been having too many problems, so it gotta go. And I put this cute little bow on here. Like, this bow was so cute. And this teddy bear, I really loved how this set came out. I really wish I would have went overboard and put hella more cute charms on here. But I was trying to do, y'all look at that. I opened that backwards. I opened the pearls up backwards, y'all. So now the pearls are just sitting in that container like that. I'm so sad, because why did I do that? Anyway, I put these pearls on the thumb, but I really wish I would have put them everywhere. Everything is just so cute. So now I'm going to use my House of Rose to top coat. And a lot of people was like, can you include the top coat? And I'm going to start doing that if that's what y'all want. Because normally, you know, whenever I be watching videos and it gets to the top coat part, I just skip it. Because it's like, I don't know. So that's why I never really show it. But I'm going to show it because that's what y'all want to see. So this is pretty much the end of the video. If you guys like this video, please let me know down below. And don't forget, y'all, do not forget, let me know how you feel about the vlogs in the comments. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.
Flattery, it's just annoying me, and I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace.